Thanks for joining Treehouse and continuing your lifelong learning journey. If you're like me, you've got a lot of things going on in your life, and it can be difficult to find the time to study. To learn most successfully, we recommend making learning a habit. Here are 3 tips to help you make learning a part of your life. Spread your learning over the week. Trying to cram 6 hours of study in on a Sunday afternoon isn't always easy. And it isn't very effective either. Research shows that learning more frequently but for less time is better than cramming your studies into one long session. To be most successful, spread out your learning time over the week. The more often, the better, but 3 times in a week is great. Set a weekly schedule. Schedule at least 3 times in the next week for learning. It doesn't have to be a lot of time. 15 to 30 minutes a session is reasonable. Spending an hour is great, but don't burn yourself out. You are creating a lifetime commitment to learning, which is a marathon, not a sprint. Pause this video, open your calendar, and schedule this week's learning now. Make it a habit. Once you've set aside the time to learn, stick to your schedule. The more you make learning a routine part of your life, the easier it will become and the more natural it will feel. Creating a learning habit is only the first step towards becoming a lifelong learner.